Today, we are going to walk step by step through the exact framework needed to turn your basic clips into high-retention shorts using professional 2026 techniques. Before we begin, you need to have 3 things ready on your hard drive: your preferred editing software, your raw footage, and a clean voiceover file. High view counts depend on the specific sequence of decisions you make inside the timeline, rather than the brand of software you choose to install. Step 1 happens before you ever click New Project. You should never open your editing software without a written plan. This image shows exactly how a plan translates to the screen. On the left, we have a handwritten outline with 3 bullet points. Notice how each point maps directly to a distinct color-coded block on our digital timeline on the right. During this initial prep work eliminates the friction of staring at a blank timeline. It tells you exactly what assets you need to pull, saving hours of wasted effort. Now that the overall structure is set, we need to focus all our attention on the most critical segment of any short-form video, the first 30 seconds. This animated timeline shows exactly how dense your opening needs to be. Look at this rapid succession of vertical razor cuts. We are taking a single continuous video track and breaking it down into multiple fast-paced segments. If you let a single clip run for too long at the very beginning without a visual change, the pacing drags. Viewers will scroll past before your main point even starts. By combining a rigid written structure with an aggressively cut opening, you build a foundation that actively holds the viewer's attention. Once the initial cuts are in place, we use motion graphics and keyframing to tell the viewer exactly where to look. In the Effects Control panel, start a smooth push-in animation by setting an anchor. Click the diamond icon next to the scale parameter at 100%. Then drag the playhead forward and increase the scale to 115%, creating a smooth zoom. Keep in mind, every graphic or animation you add has a job to do. It must clarify the information on screen, not distract from it. Deliberate, subtle motion marks the clear distinction between a jarring amateur edit and a highly polished professional production. With the visual pacing locked, we need to address the auditory experience. That requires a crisp voiceover track and layered sound effects. Here, you can see our music library interface. We are dragging our selected audio waveform directly out of the library and down onto the multi-track timeline below our video clips. To ensure the mix sounds right on mobile devices, you have to hit specific targets. Watch how the music slider drops to -25 decibels, leaving the voice slider peaking clearly at -3 decibels. If you leave the music volume at its default level, it will drown out your spoken message and frustrate the viewer. A perfectly balanced sound mix acts as invisible glue. The viewer won't consciously notice it, but it keeps them engaged right through the middle of the video. The edit is finished. Now we export the file and move to the platform upload phase. This is the 2026 YouTube Studio Upload dashboard. We have to optimize 3 specific fields here: the title formulation box, the main description field, and the visibility drop-down menu. To speed up optimization, use external tools. For example, the vidIQ extension can automate and populate the tag section with relevant keywords. You can spend 10 hours cutting the perfect sequence, but if you skip this step and give the platform the wrong metadata, the algorithm won't know who to show it to. This minimal UI notification tells us the technical process is done. The bold green checkmark confirms the upload is complete and all platform checks have passed. Let's take a look at the final polished result. The fast hook pulls you in, the smooth camera tracking controls the focus, and the balanced audio keeps the energy high without causing fatigue. With your editing and uploading locked in, your next step is to ensure the words you speak are just as optimized. You need to learn how to write the scripts that fade directly into this timeline. If you follow this exact sequence of preparation, editing, and metadata optimization, you ensure professional tier output every single time you hit publish.